And what's the one skill you would love to master instantly?
I'm managing my own mind.
If you had a robot assistant, what would be its name?
Like the name, I will like to keep Shiv.
If you could rename Earth, what would you call it?
So for Earth, that will be Kepler 77, like something.
Raspberry or cranberry?
I'm Raspberry Man.
Prefer dal makhni with naan or biryani with spicy chutney?
I'm Dal Makhani with Naan.
You the brightest young minds shaping the world of books. Today, we have a special guest who is not just an author but also a tech genius, Vedant. At just ninth grade, he has written incredible book, The Arduino, diving into fascinating world of electronics, coding and innovation. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or just curious about how gadgets come to life, this episode is going to be a thrilling ride. Check out his book available on our bookstore, and the link of the book is given in the description box below. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, Vedant, please share your book writing experience on Bookalooza.
It was great, man. I get every facility I needed for the book. I even can set the background of the pages. It was nice.
Okay, okay. And what inspired you to write a book about Arduino at such a young age?
And just to share my knowledge, that everyone should know the thing that one person knows in the world.
Okay, okay, that's very nice. So, Vedant, if Arduino were a superhero, what power would it have?
If it will be a superhero, imagine a car. It will just program the car to move according to the code. Like if the car has to turn from a 12-meter distance, it will program. If it will go 12 meters, then turn right, like that.
Okay, that sounds interesting. So, like, if you could swap places with any other scientist or inventor for one day, who would it be?
Nikola Tesla.
Okay,
Nikola Tesla.
okay, very interesting. And what's the one skill you would love to master instantly?
I'm managing my own mind.
Okay, okay. And what's the most surprising fact that you have learned recently?
And no one believes until you show them the result.
Okay, that is indeed a true thing that you learned at a very young age, and it would be really helpful for you only if you follow this thing
Yes.
that you have learned. Okay, so okay, moving on to our next question. If you had a robot assistant, what would be its name?
Like the name, I will like to keep Shiv.
Okay, okay, and what would it do?
Actually, I have created a humanoid robot past year. So,
Okay.
like you that saw the movie Chitti robot, that
Mm-hmm.
you saw the robot named Chitti. I want to build the same robot in my future
Okay.
after my college years.
Okay, okay. That's a really great idea, Vedant. We hope you make it very soon. Okay.
Thank you.
It will be very interesting to watch something like we have seen in the Bollywood movies, Hollywood movies. We really wish to see it in real world also. So, if you have to survive in wild for a week, what are the three things that you would take along with you?
Ma'am, first thing to survive in the wild is some source
Hmm.
of energy like a matchstick, to generate fire. Another will be for living, it's like a set of tent, etc.
Okay. And third one?
And for third one, it will be dependent on the circumstances that where am I going. According to
Okay.
that forest, we can decide.
Okay, fair enough. And
Yes.
if like someone only had 10 minutes to understand Arduino, what would you tell them?
First, Arduino is a open-based software to code and to execute the programs you are writing. Means it will follow the program you are writing, and it will command the sensors and receive the data from the sensors, upload it to your website server. You can do it. Basically, if you want to go into tech in industry, IT industry, the Arduino is the basic thing you must learn.
Okay, okay. So, if you could like rename Earth, what would you call it?
And rename Earth. And I can't think of that. As of Earth is a given name by a great scientist. I don't have any
Any,
right to change it.
any, of course, you don't have any right, but like, imagine it's a situational thing. Like, if you got a chance to change the name, or if you want to suggest any other name which is suitable, so you can give that. Otherwise, it's fine, no problem.
Every green planet has name as Kepler mostly. So for Earth, that will be Kepler 77, like something from my side.
Mhm. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, if you could time travel to any historical event, where would you go?
I will go to Nikola Tesla's first experiment as the Tesla coil when he started it at the yard of his own house
Mm-hmm.
to transfer electricity wirelessly.
Okay, okay. And if you could teach or do not to any famous historical figure, who would it be and why?
It will be the students who are means like IITs. They
Mm-hmm.
are means before 20 or 30 years there was no Arduino. If that time they will learn, today India will be more advanced.
Okay, okay. And if Arduino had a rival, which technology would it be?
It will be AI.
AI.
Arduino, we need to program Arduino. AI learns
Mm.
itself.
Yeah, yeah. That's true. And like, how would you explain Arduino to a 5-year-old student or a child?
Arduino is very complex for a 5-year-old, but he will see it like a magic. It is doing like the child is saying. Child will command the Arduino, it will do the same.
Okay,
But just
okay.
it will
Yeah.
need. Uh,
In simpler words, it is like that only.
yes.
Okay. So, Vedant, do you have any message for our viewers?
I just want them to learn as
Mm-hmm.
much as they can. I will be writing my next book soon for the next
Okay.
coding steps.
Okay, okay. Okay. So that's really nice. We are looking forward to read your next book. This
Me too.
one was very much informative and I personally liked it very much. Okay. So moving on to our next round. That is one word fire round. Okay. Here you need to answer in one word. Okay, Vedant. Let's
Yes.
like make it a little bit fun session now. We have got all the informations. Now I want to know about your preferences. Okay. So raspberry or cranberry?
Raspberry man.
Okay. Coding or gaming?
Coding.
Robots or drones?
Robots.
Okay. And what is your favorite Chinese food?
Chinese like my momos.
Okay. And what is your South Indian favorite snack?
Idli.
Idli. Okay, okay. Any superpower that you want?
Superpower means I just wanted to fly from the birth of my life.
Okay. And where do you want to fly to?
I'm in the sky.
In the sky.
So
Okay.
I don't have any specific destination.
Okay, okay. And would you prefer dal makhni with naan or biryani with spicy chutney?
Dal makhani with naan.
Dal makhni, okay, okay. So, mountains or beaches?
The mountains.
Okay, so can you tell me your favorite movie?
Three idiots.
Three Idiots. And
Yes.
which character do you like the most among the three?
Rancho. Rancho.
Rancho, okay, okay. And like, what is your dream travel destination?
It would be like Japan. Tokyo.
Okay, it is a very nice place to visit. Okay, tea or coffee?
I would not prefer any. I will
Okay,
just simply take milk
okay, that's very nice. And what about morning or night?
and night.
Okay,
I
and
mostly study at night.
okay, okay. And like, what do you prefer, Androids or iOS?
I'm Android man. It
Android.
has more opportunities.
Okay, okay. And is there any one food that you can eat forever? You can't be fed up of that food.
No, oranges.
Orange is okay. And what about your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor?
I'm Jitendra Kumar. He is a IITian, graduate from
Hmm.
IIT Kharagpur.
Yeah.
He is my favorite.
Okay, okay. What's your spirit animal?
And for animal, I will take dogs.
Okay. How so? Do you love dogs?
No, not like that. Means dog are loyal to their owners.
Hmm. So you have that loyal quality in yourself.
I want that quality.
Okay. And one thing that you can't live without.
In my family,
Okay. And first word that comes to your mind when you hear innovation.
and something new that haven't been discovered yet, and I will do it.
Okay, okay. That's very inspiring. So, what's your favorite school subject?
Now it's maths, mathematics.
Okay, so you like maths. Aren't you scared of the numbers and all the
Um,
calculation,
It's
hard
it's
stuff?
fun to calculate maths.
Okay,
It
okay.
contains geometry, algebra, etc.
Mhm. Okay. And like, what makes you smile instantly?
I'm making my parents proud.
Okay, okay. So, how are you planning to make your parents proud now?
I'm by securing All India rank 1 in JEE Advanced.
Okay, okay. That's really nice. That's really nice to hear. We hope you do that. So, Vedant, it's time to wrap up the session now.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, like what an electrifying conversation I had with you. From
Thank you.
decoding the power of Arduino to imagining a futuristic tech, this episode was packed with insights and inspiration. Vedant, you're a proof that age is no barrier to innovation. You can be innovative at any age. It depends all on you. So, until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and stay tuned for more amazing young authors on Star Author Podcast. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vedant.
Thank you, ma'am.